How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today we're going to talk about a problem that's very common, very annoying, and still confusing to a lot of iPhone users. We're talking about unexpected shutdowns. That's when your iPhone randomly shuts off. Let's say you're using your iPhone normally, you still have like 10, 20, sometimes even 30% of battery left, and suddenly the iPhone turns off. No warning, no low battery alert, it just shuts down. In this updated video, I'm going to explain you why this happens and most importantly, how to actually fix it. Let's start with something very important. So first, a quick fix. Keep in mind this is not the real solution, but it's what you need to know when the problem happens and you just need your phone back on. So if your iPhone shuts down unexpectedly, the easiest thing you can do is simply plug it into a charger, just like that. In most cases, the iPhone will turn back on immediately and boot up showing the same battery percentage it had before shutting down. That will work in the majority of cases. Now, if you don't have a charger with you, if you are out and about, you need to force restart your iPhone. So that's a completely different process. I'm gonna show you how to do that for the iPhone 8 and newer, so the majority of iPhones out there. All you have to do is get your iPhone and then press and let go volume up, press and let go volume down, and then press and hold your side button. You're gonna keep holding until you see the Apple logo. It may take a while, sometimes even up to 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo, but just keep holding. When you see the Apple logo, you're good to go. Don't worry because you're not going to lose anything with this process. We're just forcing the iPhone to restart, to reboot. No harm done here, completely harmless. And your iPhone will turn back on automatically and normally. If you have an older iPhone like an iPhone 7 or older, check the link in the description to learn how to force restart your device. Again, this only gets your phone back on. It does not fix the problem. Now, let's talk about the real reasons and how to fix it. There are actually three main causes, and one of them is responsible for the majority of cases. The first and simplest cause is software. If your iPhone is running a very old version of iOS, you can experience instability, power management bugs, and unexpected shutdowns. This is especially common if the phone skipped multiple updates. So if there are many versions of newer iOS versions ahead of you. So the first thing you should always do is very simple. Go to your iPhone settings, General, Software Update, and make sure your iPhone is fully up to date. If this is the cause, the problem can disappear immediately after updating and you're done. The second cause is something a lot of people still underestimate. It has to do with internal storage, not iCloud. I'm talking about the actual storage inside the iPhone. When your storage is almost completely full, iOS struggles to manage background processes, memory, and system tasks. This can lead to freezes, reboots, and yes, unexpected shutdowns. If your iPhone constantly shows storage almost full warnings, you know, that pop up, right? This can absolutely be part of the problem or the problem itself. Freeing up storage, especially system data, large apps, videos, files, and documents can make a noticeable difference. We have a dedicated video here on the channel teaching you how to do that. I'm gonna leave a direct link in the description and card right here on how you can free up a ton of your iPhone storage. And of course, we have the third cause, which is the most important one, battery health. If your iPhone is more than 1.5 or 2 years old, this is very likely the real cause. So get your iPhone, go to settings, battery health, and look at maximum capacity. If the number you see is around 80% or lower, this is not a coincidence. Modern iPhones draw very high peak power, especially during camera use, navigation, gaming, or multitasking. When the battery is degraded, it's old, it can no longer deliver those short bursts of power, even if it still shows battery percentage left, like 10, 20, or 30%. So what happens? The system detects it and shuts the phone down instantly to protect the hardware. That's why this problem happens even at 20 or 30% battery. And once a battery reaches this point of degradation, there is only one real fix, which is battery replacement. Replacing the battery restores proper power delivery, eliminates unexpected shutdowns, and brings back consistent performance. So an old battery is one of the biggest villains of an iPhone, and specifically of unexpected shutdowns. After a battery replacement, most users actually get another 1 or 2 years of solid use from the same iPhone. But hear me out, this is important. If your iPhone is already very old and you were already planning to upgrade anyway, then replacing the battery doesn't make much sense and you're better off just getting a new iPhone. But if the phone still meets your needs, if it's a good iPhone and you don't plan to replace it, replacing the battery is the smartest and cheapest fix to this and many other issues. And of course, you're gonna have a much better experience with your iPhone overall. To wrap up this video, here are 2 very important tips if you're not ready to replace your battery just yet. First, use low power mode. Low power mode reduces peak performance and lowers how aggressively the system draws power. This can significantly reduce shutdowns on older batteries just like that. This is super effective. Second, resetting the iPhone. A full reset, I'm talking about restoring your iPhone to factory settings, okay, can actually clear background processes, corrupted system states, and long-term performance issues. This does not fix the battery degradation or other issues you may have, but in some cases it helps stabilize the system temporarily. Again, dedicated video on how to do that right here in the description and card above if you want to restore your iPhone. Now, if none of that works, you may have a physical problem with your iPhone that actually needs to be checked by a professional. I'm talking about a hardware issue. So if that's your case, I recommend you to take your iPhone to an Apple store and get your iPhone checked. You may have water damage or a motherboard issue, and only they will actually be able to help you. So now you know, unexpected iPhone shutdowns are not random. They're almost always related to software, storage, or most commonly, battery. Once you understand the cause, the solution becomes very clear. If this video helped you, leave a like down below and also subscribe for more real-world tech explanations, especially on Apple. I'll see you on the next video right here on Then About Tech. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.